Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete a teachable account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in teachable, and then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to teachable if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the home, users, site, sales, emails, and settings. We have the products where you have your courses, coaching, digital downloads, and all of those things. And in the top right corner, we have the option where you can go and view your school. So now let's see how we can actually go and delete the teachable account. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So go to the top bottom left corner, and click on the help, because you need to go to the support and of course get a ticket for deleting your account. So you have the knowledge base here. Go to knowledge base to find answers for quick about creating products. Get support as team for expert in questions. Live chat support. So one of these two. So manage support or chat offline. One of these two you have to of course go and ask them there to open your ticket to of course delete your teachable account. And if you want to delete your school, you just need to go to settings, and here down here you can go and delete your school. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.